This is my short-term review for the A16 5G from Samsung. Last time I had Perlica, but now I have Avuena, because this rabbit's very cute. I have not been using this device for very long. I have been using it probably for around 3 to 5 days, so this is why I call it the short-term review, because, well, I haven't been using this phone to the fullest. I haven't used the cameras a lot. I need to try the cameras, and you know what? I haven't even been playing a lot of very hardcore video games on this device. I have been playing these stupid, games that really don't matter. They are just big time wasters. As a person who's used to the Pro Maxes and the Ultras, I have to say the A series is a big disappointment, and the A16 5G is a huge disappointment. Now, around the world, Apple devices are a status symbol, but if you don't have any Apple device, I have to think about what is going to be the best device for, well, the rest of the world. By the best device, I do mean the one that is most accessible and it has most of the bells and whistles. If you look at this device here in America, yeah, this is a crappy and awful phone, but a third world country would love to have this device. It's good enough in 99% of cases to use this device over a pro device if you're not into gaming. If you're into gaming, then of course get the Pros and the Ultras and the Pro Maxes, but if I'm being honest, is everyone a top tier mobile gamer? No. I still prefer the older flagships to any device that is brand new and a lower quality than the actual flagship device or a mid-range device. These lower end devices aren't good, but if you're in a country other than the first world, a great phone for you to buy. And heck, if you need a secondary phone to do whatever you want on it, basically playing stupid mini games, then yes, of course, get this device. The one great thing about this device for an American is that it's very affordable and very inexpensive. So I don't know, just play your stupid games on here, watch some movies, watch some videos. Go ahead and grab one of these if you have some extra pocket change and you don't mind just wasting it on a lower end device.